In this video, we're going to see two motorcyclists lane splitting and going a bit faster than the flow of traffic, which leads to an accident. Let's roll the clip. Not many brain cells in this video, and that accident was 100% avoidable. But let's roll the clip and learn some lessons. So the first thing to note here is there's speeding. You should always go a speed similar to the flow of traffic. These guys are going much faster than the flow of traffic, which is one of the reasons why they got into an accident. Second is they're lane splitting, but if you live in the state of California or somewhere where lane splitting is legal, that's not an issue. They may be breaking the law, but the legality is besides the point. What they're doing right now is dangerous. So even if something is legal, if it's dangerous, it's probably not a good idea to do it. If you're going to lane split, you should go at a speed where you can stop if a car pulls out in front of you. If you're going too fast, you're going to end up with a bad outcome like this rider did over here. Now, if we roll it back a little bit, this rider, ironically, had they stayed lane splitting instead of trying to dodge, they would have made it, because by the time the car finished, they could have slipped through this hole right here. Another thing is, if a car is going to the right, you should probably go the opposite direction. That way you'll go away from each other. This rider followed the car over here. Or if you're going to go this way, you could have continued to go this way and slip out this way over here in between these two lanes. But he was indecisive and decided to go to the right and then swerve back to the left and didn't make it in time. So a lot of mistakes were made by the rider over here. Our driver here, what they did might have been done deliberately because they did end up switching lanes in time, or maybe they were just oblivious. But the driver did also make a mistake. Whether or not this is legal, if they see a motorcycle coming down, they should probably wait till they pass. This is a good reason to always check your mirrors when you're about to change lanes. And if you're on a motorcycle, don't speed, go the flow of traffic, and if you're going to lane split, do it safely and properly. Let's all be safer, more responsible drivers.